Uma-ke ukuthi njalo ngeminyaka bayavakashela befike bathule lokho lebakuthulako futhi bashiye nemithandazo lokwenta ukuthi kukhululeke inhliziyo talabo labanakekelwa kanye leli khaya futhi-ke bakhonene ukuthi bathole usizo ngalokho lokunikelwa ngibo-ke bomake belimenywana.
All our efforts are perfectly in line with the Sustainable Development Goal number 3, which requires integrating palliative care into our health systems. We are therefore pleased that Bomage Belmanyano faithfully stand with us as we do our best in making this dream of ensuring access to palliative care attainable. Siyabonga Bomage Belmanyano. As the Bible says in Proverbs 19, verse 17, he who is gracious and lends a hand to the poor lends to the Lord, and the Lord will repay him for his good deed. Our God sees the good work you do in reaching out to help others through Hospice at Home. And indeed, it is our prayer that the Lord, who is faithful in his promises, rewards you for your good deeds. Continue doing what God also expects you to do for others. Your work also gives our nurses a reason for visiting our patients with hope, as they are able to help them with the necessary supplies that you graciously donate to us. We are forever grateful for the support we receive from His Majesty's government and other stakeholders and partners. And recently, Sibonga, the municipalities of this kingdom, and Nabobonke, who have come together for this knitting challenge, even the elderly. The elderly people in our cities, Siyabonga kakhulu. Even as you rest after retirement, we appreciate that you are contributing to the needy of this country. Over the past 35 years of our existence as Hospice at Home, we have seen the unwavering support to our cause and mandate. We may be a small organization with a big task, but our capacity and ability to sustain the work before us has been largely through the support from the government, stakeholders, and partners. For this, we shall forever be grateful.
Lokhulumele imfuna yelitiko letempilo umcondzisi khona ke etiko uvetile ukuthi balitiko bathota kakhulu ngalo mnikelo lichamuka kibo bomake belimenywana wabonga nayo inkhosikati ngebuholi balo buhle lobenda ukuthi kube nebudlelwano lobukhulu nabo bazalwane.
Asinawukhohlwa ke kodwa singihospice nyalo kubonga make ngangaza ngendlela la hola ngayo aphinza afake isandla ekusisiteni nitawuconza ukuthi hospice i-NGO akasurvive ngalokunye ngaphandle kokusitwa njengoba nisida nalo msebenzi lomkhulu lowendekako nasenende lokho uhamba usite umhlaba wonke walelive la kaNgwane because indawuconza ukuthi kunebazalwane bethu labangakaphatheki kahle.
Thinking simo lokuso lesihloniphekile, it wouldn't bother anyone to be part of this hospice, but it takes someone who's having a passion and understanding ukuthi sonke singabantwa bakaNkulunkulu.
Anzike nemaja le kachamuka heaven leningizimu Afrika abengilamanye lanikelako kuyo inkosikade tiponje letawulekelela ukuthi kuhlale noma ikulale labo labagcineke khona ekhaya kuteke impilo yabo ibe ngileyo lengcono. Ngikhimbali Mavuso endzabeni lemsado eChina eMaswati naphiwo kuhle Dlamini esigodlweni eNgabeveni.